Hey guys, it's Musa. Welcome back to my channel Beauty and Strength. Welcome to another vlog.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up.
Today I had a chance to be outside to enjoy this beautiful day. Yes, and then right now I'm going home. I'm going to upload this video, and what I want is for you to subscribe and like, and then give me more thumbs up. It's about 7 a.m. now. I'm going to my workout. I'm so excited because I have my vlogging camera back, because I missed it for like over 2 months. I forgot it in Miami, so I decided to run at least 5 miles a day this month. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to go to the track field and then run all the tracks. There's about like 8 of them. I would do that in the morning, and then later in the afternoon I would do the same thing. That should give me about over 5 miles a day. The reason why, because I'm trying to be more slender, more lean. So I decided to lose or to shrink some fat even more, and be more lean. And cardio is one of the things that you need if you want to be lean. So I want to be lean, so let's go. I'm gonna turn off this camera now, and I will see you next.
I start to see, I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa.
Okay guys, I am back. I feel like I am going to mess up my camera because I have like water sweat dripping all over the lens. As you can tell, I'm like super sweaty. So the sun is just right there, so it's hard on my eye. Yeah, I wanted to come here and check. I made it like 7:41. Can you guys see this? I stopped halfway. I took a good break for like 3 minutes, like checking on my phone because my music was off. So that's one thing though. When you set a goal, try to not get distracted, because I feel like I rely a lot on my music. It's very helpful, you like the beats and that's keep you moving, but at the same time the primary thing is supposed to be the goal that you set up prior, which is running. I didn't supposed to stop.
10.